Hey everyone! When it comes to wildlife, 1 second can be the difference between calm and chaos. From unexpected encounters to jaw-dropping attacks, get ready to see courage, instinct, and danger collide, all caught on camera. A wild shark snatches a bird right off the water's surface. A man risked it all trying to chase off a wild elephant in a national park, and luckily, everyone walked away unharmed. A man survives after being run over by a rampaging bull. A clever orangutan trades fairly with humans.
Давай мне теперь обратно. Давай, давай. Давай, давай. Давай, давай. Давай, давай. Давай сюда, чуть. Давай. Вот, спасибо, thank you. Very tasty.
Ты тоже ешь.
A gorilla brawl breaks out at the St. Louis Zoo.
Down there, see him? Hey, jump in there, break it up.
This vulture did not see the lion creeping up, and by the time it realized it was too late, and it got the scare of its life. One very lucky antelope slips away from a crocodile's jaws. When a wild lion tries to get into your car. A lion opens a car door.
Wow, opening the door? Clash window. Clash window.
A tiger scares tourists during an Indian safari.
Oh my god, he's up. Oh my god, he's gonna jump on us.
चार्ज करेगी चल चल निकल
सीधा भाग
A tourist comes face to face with a young leopard.
Watch my shoe. He's got my shoe.
Avoidance of all the other hit. That's in my arm there.
Wow.
This man stared down a lion armed with nothing but a wooden stick.
When they're full, the stomach stand like this.
Is that cool?
The handler took the cheetah out to play, but it suddenly attacked, and the camera caught every second. A gator attacks a man who tried feeding it a turkey.
Goliath gator, look at this. It happened at the Colorado Gator Farm as a worker that was feeding Elvis a raw turkey. He tossed it in the water but missed, and that's when you see the 12-foot.
A man with a GoPro goes head-to-head with a great white in Sydney Harbor. A safari family in Sri Lanka is attacked by a protective elephant, but the guide chases it off by shouting.
They just want to sleep. Look at it.
A lion growls at photographers, then charges in a split-second burst of raw instinct.
Oh my.
A heart-stopping lion encounter at Karyega Game Reserve.
Quickly, let's go back. Quickly, go.
A camping trip turned terrifying when two lions tried everything to get inside the tent.
Oh nein, jetzt sieht man der Zeltmann. Hey!
Tourists on foot stumble upon a mother leopard, who reacts aggressively to their approach.
Yeah.
Around these pot cones.
That's wrong.
On a peaceful outing in Double Creek, New Jersey, no one expected this as a massive whale surfaced under a boat and got stuck in a rare, frightening moment that ended well. Thinking about getting a pet monkey, do not, because besides being wrong, the damage it can do to your home is unreal, and this clip proves it.
Ты что наделал? Это что такое, Микки? На кухне я вообще молчу.
With unbelievable courage, a cow charged at a man, and his son then backed off the moment he mimicked an elephant call.
Qual a cavaca pega nós, hein? Pega nós. Que o pai não pega você, hein?
At the zoo, visitors got a rare show as a lioness patiently prepared to strike, proving her hunting instinct is razor sharp.
Pegou! Oh, pegou mesmo! Oh, gente! Mexeu uma pata.
Mas eu não comi, não.
Você viu? Chama a polícia.
This dog knew better and ran for its life after spotting a jaguar from a distance. Those are not lights. Those are a gator's eyes at night. Beautiful or terrifying, you decide.
Olhando assim, parece que é até luz de uma cidade. Mas não é. Esses brilhozinhos aí, ó, tudo é jacaré-açu e só jacaré.
A trio of jaguars, probably a mom and her cubs.
Caraca, velho. Quinta-feira, hoje é que dia? 15 de maio. Dá uma olhada. 3 onças.
This raccoon was about to be released back into the wild, but first decided to give the camera woman a good scare. Deep sea fright as a seal attacks a diver in seconds of pure tension. Imagine stepping outside without noticing the black bear watching you. Fortunately, nothing happened. Never get too close to wild animals, and this is why.
Yeah, you go.
You see that big crocodile time with it?
Hey!
And I just said it.
Betrayed by his mate, this deer headed straight to the bar to drown his sorrows.
Hi. Oh my God! Stop! Stop! Stop!
Yeah, hostile champ.
Unhappy elephant.
A polar bear encounter.
Watch out!
A diver's worst nightmare, attacked by a moray eel after interrupting its mating ritual. A cyclist is taken down by a leopard leaping from the brush, then the big cat vanishes back into the forest. Safari tourists are chased by two elephants, but escape just in time by flooring it. A black bear follows a hiker for over 10 minutes before finally walking away.
We're no good. No good.
Pausing workout.
You have to let us go today. Hey, go on. Go on your way. Come on. Good. Boy, big guy. Beautiful. Attaboy. Attaboy. Attaboy.
Two angles capture the moment a lion attacks an SUV during safari. On a tourist dive in Fiji, a nearly 16-foot tiger shark attacks a man ripping off his mask, and the group fights back kicking until the shark lets go. A viral video shows 3 lions surrounding safari cars while 2 block the sides and the third tries to open the door of a white Jeep.
they see it, they're looking, they see themselves. Oh my goodness, no, that's dangerous.
Oh my gosh! He's gonna break the other. Oh yeah! Go, go, go! Hey, where is he? There you go.
Okay, here he comes.
Oh, this car's gotta be smashed. Wow.